Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe, and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 700 Rand every day in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and welcome back to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune with Dollar Influencer. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. This video is going to be aimed mostly at adults and people who are working and have cars and are looking to make extra money. But if you're a student or somebody who does not have access to those things, make sure to stick up until the end of the video, because the second website, or rather app, that I'll show you will definitely benefit students. So just stick around until the end of the video. So the first thing that I want you to do is that I want you to go on Chrome and type in become a Bolt driver. Now, if most of you haven't heard about Bolt, Bolt is a Uber type of service that gives people rides for cheaper and way less. But did you know that you could also become a Bolt driver? So you can easily go and become a Bolt driver, and it'll take you to this page. It says here, earn extra money driving, and you can sign up to become a Bolt driver. A lot of people have been telling me that becoming a Bolt driver is very beneficial if you're looking to make some money on the side, because you can actually make a lot of money. And the best part about it is that even if you don't have a car, you can also become one. I'll explain that to you down the line. So when you get on the sign up page, you just need to enter your email and your phone number. After you do that, it'll easily take you to the point, but let me give you the description. It says, why Bolt? Earn money. Drive a Bolt and earn some extra income. Drive anytime, work on your own schedule, no minimum fees and no books, no monthly fees, so you do not need to even pay. It says here how Bolt works. Accept the request, pick up the client and drive to destination. Frequently asked questions. I don't have to drive full time. Can I use Bolt for just a few hours? Of course, some of our drivers are only active for a few hours during weekends. How do I get paid? A client will pay you via Bolt and they will pay your bank account every single week. How much do I pay Bolt? The only thing you need to give them is 10% of everything that you earn. How long does it take to sign up? It takes 5 minutes, and after you have signed up, you will get a 30-minute training in their offices, and sometimes they just give you via mobile and you don't even need to go. And what if you don't have a smartphone? They also provide you with a can use that the company provides. And what if I don't have a vehicle, the part I told you about? Well, they can connect you with partner fleets or rental companies who offer cars that you can drive. The only downside to that is that you will make way less, but the good part about it is that you don't even need to have a car and you can still become a Bolt driver. Even though it'll be less, you will still be able to make money. So let me tell you guys about the requirements that you need to have when you become a Bolt driver. Number one, you must not have a criminal record. You must not have any criminal record. Even if you stole a piece of paper and you went to jail, I am sorry, you cannot become a Bolt driver, because they want the safety of their customers to be the main priority. You need to have a driver's license. If you don't have a driver's license, you cannot become a Bolt driver. They want to know that their customers are in very good hands. So if you want to become a Bolt driver, make sure you have a license. So guys, that is literally all you need. You need to have a license, no criminal record, a 30-minute training at their office. If you have a car, you can make up to 4,000 Rand a week. If you do not have a car, it will be much more less, but you will still be able to make money. So now that I'm done, let's get on to the second website for people who have no interest in driving people around and want to stick to the online money making apps. What I want you to do is that I want you to go on Google and type teachme2.com, and you should get to this page that says change somebody's life in your spare time and get paid while doing that to become a tutor. Now you can easily become a tutor without any qualifications. If you know about the subject, then you can easily become one. You can tutor online or face to face. You can build your resume, and that is how you pretty much become credible. Finding a meaningful job that fits into your schedule shouldn't be difficult. Teach almost anything online or in your area. Choose from thousands of jobs. Tutor students a street away or somebody on the other side of the world. You name it, and we offer it. Fantastic support and feedback to help you grow. So the way that you grow your resume is by teaching more and more people, not by CVs and how people usually do it when they apply for school jobs. So what I want you to do is that I want you to click on the become a tutor option. Once you do that, you should be taken to this page where you need to fill in a survey this is pretty much your application. So I said I'm in South Africa. Now it's asking me a question. It says I have received an A or above for university subjects. I have received an A plus for high school subjects. So now this is mainly for high school people. If you've received an A in any good subject and you know you are very good, click yes. It says do you have a stable internet connection? Click yes. And after you do that, you enter your first name, your last name, your email, and that is when you can start the application properly. So guys, all you need to do is make sure that you have an A plus or an 80%, or rather you are very good in a specific subject to the point where you know that you can definitely teach somebody to the point where they can actually pay you for your services. Once you have done that, then you are good. You can teach people online, you can drive to them, but rather stick to online for your safety, so you can literally tutor people from all over the world. And if you're tutoring somebody in America or the UK and they're sending them money from there, £10 could be a lot of money in South Africa. So just follow my instructions and you should be fine. Anyways guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. The competition is still going strong on the 26th of November. If you're keeping up to date, make sure to hit that like button, comment something every single video, and you might be the lucky person to win 1,000 Rand. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you. Peace.